Lesson 5 Splatter. This video will cover splatter technique. You can watch video once before painting and pause to read instructions as needed. Mix phthalo blue with black to paint the sky. Clean the brush and continue painting. Gradually add titanium white to lighten the color and brush downwards to create a gradient effect. Blend a small amount of opera pink into the base color of the sky. Then, mix a little bright red into the pale yellow. Use a blending technique to blend the colors from bottom to top and blend them into the sky. Add titanium white above the edge of orange and blend from bottom to top to form a transition. Use a fan to accelerate the drying process. Paint the silhouettes of mountains, trees, and fences with lamp black. Pay attention to the size difference based on their distance from the viewer. Then, paint birds in the sky. Splatter titanium white on the drawing to create a dense and intricate starry sky. If you make a mistake that is still wet, you can apply a sponge to dilute it with water and absorb the paint. Dip the brush in titanium white and paint the meteor streaks.